we have our Reign FH400C. This is our Flathead series lights. It's 400 watt and it's full color spectrum. We use 7 diodes in-house LEDs to perfectly mimic and get our light quality as accurate and as smooth on a color curve, spectrum curve. At the front, we have a full-size Bowens mount, and on top of it, we have our Reign G mount. So that's the bigger mount, also on the Reign 1200B. So the accessories from Reign 1200B will also work on this light as well. So this light, because of its design and slim profile, we offer a 4-light yoke and a 6-light yoke. It can be put in a 4-light configuration and a 6-light configuration to get a much larger and stronger source. Also, if you're working with pipes and grid, you can make as much as you want. You can make a line of light, you can make a square shape, and expand this light as much as possible. So this lights have a user interchangeable module at the bottom. So you can either purchase the Bluetooth module by itself, or a wired DMX, wireless CMX, or Ethernet port for IP control. And it's all user interchangeable.